Alright folks, as we're about to launch the dinghy to go ashore, first thing, safety precaution you want to do is grab a couple life jackets just for your safety to have in the dinghy, or you put on a couple life jackets. This is how your dinghy should look. This is also a safety precaution, keeping the dinghy from swinging and also helping the line from getting broke. Now we're in the process of getting the dinghy into the water, so we're going to untie the line. So right to the top here is our control for the davit that lifts the dinghy down and bring it back up. First thing you want to do is untie our safety line right here. As you're about to lower the dinghy into the water, you just want to make sure the plug is in. Whenever you're lowering the dinghy, there should be no one standing down on the transom. You never know, the line can broke. You need everyone to be up on deck. So after the dinghy has been launched into the water, you want to make sure you tie off your dinghy on the cleat on the side. And we're also going to do a figure of 8. One 1/2 inch, and you can also do a second 1/2 inch on the other side. Now here folks, when we're going to start the outboard, first thing you want to do, safety, put the kill cord around your hand just in case you fall overboard. It can pop out, stop the engine, and you will be able to swim back to the dinghy. And you also got to put it in to make sure you can get the outboard to start. Now upon starting the outboard, you have a prime ball. You just want to pump the ball pretty quickly, make sure there's a bit of gas in the head. And sometimes in the morning the weather can get a bit cold. You have the choke right here. You want to pull it out, start it up, and you push the choke back in. Just make sure your shift is also in neutral before you start. Pull to start. And there, our outboard has started. Now on the side is a shift. You can go forward, or you can go in reverse. You can go back neutral. Now in order to stop the outboard, you can push the key in, or you can also take the key out. Just a safety precaution of when you're approaching the beach, you want to approach slowly, and you also want to get the outboard tilted a bit. You don't want to damage the foot. So there's a shift to the side here. You want to get that shift down, you push it down, and then you can stand and just lift your outboard a bit out of the water, and that can help you not to damage the foot, cause the oil to spill. Now we are about to come back from shore, and as you're coming back from shore, you want to keep in mind to approach the dinghy sideways. You don't want to come bow onto the transom. You can get the transom damaged. There's an eye to the bow of the dinghy, so you always want to come sideways whenever you're on the dinghy.